CDC out with new guidance for kids inside classrooms. New research showing that 3 feet rather than 6 feet of social distancing is sufficient for students. So what do these new recommendations mean for students here in Hampton Roads? News 3 reporter Antoinette Delbell checked in with school districts locally to get their thoughts.
The CDC changing its standard procedure for social distancing inside classrooms, going from 6 feet to 3 feet. New research showing the shorter distance had limited COVID transmission in schools as long as everyone is wearing masks. The move could allow some school districts with less space to get more students inside classrooms and away from virtual learning.
Could this pave the way for more in-person instruction?
Well, I think it's important to recognize that, in some Virginia school systems, 3 feet is the norm they're using.
Virginia Education Association President Dr. James Fetterman says teachers want to be back in the classrooms, and the VEA will continue to ensure health and safety is top of mind.
Let's be clear, many educators are still very fearful of returning to in-person learning, even with being vaccinated. We're confident that, the mitigation strategies that are in place with 3 feet or 6 feet, educators will still be able to do their jobs and to do them effectively.
Since last month, elementary students at Isle of Wight County schools have been learning in person 5 days a week under the shorter distance guidance. The district finding 3 feet is just as safe as 6.
It's been very successful. We have not seen any classroom spread of the virus since we've had students return.
Other public schools, including districts in Gloucester, Hampton, Virginia Beach, and Chesapeake, are either already using the 3 feet guideline or are moving toward it as they begin to bring back more students. But Portsmouth Public Schools playing it safe, saying once elementary students return next month, it'll follow 6 feet of social distancing. Meantime, the new recommendations are encouraging for Isle of Wight as they weigh the possibility of moving middle and high school students from hybrid learning to more in-person.
Our mitigation measures have been very effective in keeping cases from spreading in the school. We know we're going to have students and staff test positive, but our main goal has been limiting any of the spread.
Antoinette Delbell, News 3.